2020 has been an year of COVID. But who can forget the bushfires in Australia, which burned 11 million hectares of land, killing 3 million animals? Or at a hurricane in America, or flash floods in Afghanistan? I'm sure Uttarakhand glacier burst must be very fresh in your mind.
Let me give you a few more facts. 8 million tons of plastic waste leaks into the ocean every year, resulting in melting of sea ice and biodiversity loss. And if we collect all the world's plastic trash and stretch it between Earth and Moon, it can go around 5,790 times. How scary is it?
If we look at climate change in India, India is vulnerable, experiencing floods in desert areas, insect outbreaks, a huge loss of forest covers, and availability of fresh water is a critical area of concern.
Today is 22nd April, Earth Day, and we children are doing our best to save the planet by our little efforts. We are making book banks, we switch off the lights when not in use, try to mend leakage at our homes, we are planting saplings, we do not use scooters but cycle for short distances. We are reducing wastage and preventing the use of plastic. What more we can do?
Dear elders, by making few posters and planting some saplings are not just enough. We appeal to all to make every day Earth Day. We all should be aware so that our earth doesn't get hot, smoky or polluted. We children might grow a few saplings, but just one wrong decision by the government leads to cutting of forest, slashing of area forest, which we all know are the lungs of Mumbai, and cutting of 1,000 trees near Gurugram are just few examples. Remember, the earth doesn't belong to us, we belong to the earth.
In recent US elections, the major agenda in Joe Biden's campaign was climate change. Biden proposed $2 billion budget plan to deal with climate change. So we Indians also need to wake up and choose very wisely.
Let's take action to reduce individual carbon emission by cycling to close distances.
Switch to vegan options and avoid non-veg.
Try ordering from a local vendor as it saves a lot of packaging.
Drive efficiently.